In my first video, I've explained in simple terms what product design is. This time around, I would like to talk about tools and things, other things that comes into product design. We have different tools you use in product designing. It's not just about designing the aesthetics and the beauty, and how the visuals of a app will look like. It entails strategizing, user research, the marketing process, the sales process, and all of those things, and how what the strategy, the research is, the marketing, how all of those things, how they solve user problem, and as well meet up with business goals. And there are different tools out there as a designer that you use on this. Majority of the time, a lot of things you do in product design does not just entails and stop there as in designing alone. There are other things where you have to use other tools as well. Yes, and one of the popular tools out there that people use in product designing is Figma. And we have other tools like Adobe XD, we have tools like Adobe Illustration, Photoshop, and all of those things, because they are all these tools help you part of the process of creating your designs. And we have products like Protopie, we have products like Mirror, there's FigJam there, like softwares for designing. They are so vast, and depending on the aspect of the design you're going into, for you to know how to use these tools. And it's also essential as a product designer for you to have all the skills. As a product designer, you need to have good design skills. You need to have good researching skills. You need to know how to strategize when carrying out your research. You need to know how to get on into the main pain points of the problem you're starting to solve and implementing that in your design. So it's not just about, yes, you want to solve, you need all those skills, not just for you to know how to design on Figma and make things look beautiful. You need to know you need to understand that being able to be a researcher, because as a product designer, you automatically become a researcher as well. And you need to know how to incorporate all of these things and putting them into the design, into the product you're designing. So yeah, the skill is so broad. It's not just about just designing alone. It's a whole lot more. And knowing all of those things, having ability to do the research, ability to know, yes, this is the pain point from the problem I'm trying to solve, ability to implement all those things into your design, and putting it out there, and that product being useful for your user, and that product actually solving the problem you wanted to solve after you've done your user testing. That's part of the qualities of being a good product designer.